Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm really good today, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Where are you from?
I live in London, a bit
Yeah,
away from London, but I was born in Eastern Europe in Lithuania.
okay.
And yourself?
My name is Sahiba. I am from India.
Well, lovely. Where in
Yeah.
India?
Uh, uh, North part, Jammu and
North.
Kashmir. Yeah.
Lovely. Awesome.
So, what's your name?
My name is Camilla.
Sorry?
My name is Camilla.
Camilla. Okay, nice to
Camilla.
meet you.
Like like the royal family, Camilla royal family name.
Yeah,
Hmm. Great.
yes.
How old are you?
I am 17 years.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and you?
24.
Oh, 24. Ah, you see, you look 20. Yeah, I guess.
I look 13.
Oh, so what's your profession?
My profession, I'm a medical therapist.
Oh,
So,
nice.
in the branch of physiotherapy and
Yes.
exercise instruction and coaching. I have clients, my independent business. I take
Oh,
clients to help fix their back pain, their shoulder pain, their neck pain. Uh,
yeah.
mhm.
I mean, you are a doctor.
Yeah, a doctor.
Oh, really nice. So, you live with your family?
I do. I live with my family. Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me your daily routine
I
about your day?
can. Yes, that's a lovely question.
Oh, okay. So let's start.
And after a mistake. So far, I wake up at 7 a.m. from Monday to Friday, and
Oh,
on Saturday and Sunday, I sleep in as long as I like.
okay.
I typically do some exercise before my breakfast. It helps my tummy feel nice.
Yeah.
And then I have breakfast, which is um, some toast with jam
Oh,
and a bit of
nice.
cheese and a coffee, my favorite type of breakfast.
Oh,
By 8 a.m., I say goodbye to my sister who goes to school. And if my mum is not working that day, I
okay.
try to be very quiet so she can sleep for longer.
Okay.
Sometimes my brother goes to work at 8 a.m., so I sometimes say goodbye to him, or sometimes I give him breakfast.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
by 9 a.m., I have started my work. Typically, I work at home, so I have my pen and paper, my laptop, and my phone, my mobile phone, and I am calling people, having conversations, one to ones, updating my online profiles,
Oh,
um, looking at my patient notes, and thinking, how can I help my patient get better?
okay.
Um, by 11:30, I am very hungry.
Oh,
Yeah, by 11:30, I'm very hungry, so I have some lunch.
mm.
It is different every day.
Mm-hmm.
I then do some more phone calls, more laptop work, a bit of studying as well to remind myself of a few things and learn some new things. And by 1 o'clock, I'm hungry again. And
Oh,
I have,
again.
yeah, just a little nibble.
Oh,
Um, and then I like to have a
mm-hmm.
bigger meal by 1 o'clock because for the next 5 to 6 hours, my day becomes very busy.
Mm-hmm.
I do my fitness, my workout, I play my bass guitar, I go for a run, I
Okay.
clean the house, I help my mum, I do
Oh,
some
nice.
shopping, I feed my cats. I have And
Okay.
and then the evening is spontaneous with family or with friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So very nice.
Thank you
So,
very much.
so,
Your turn.
sorry?
Your turn. Could you tell me about
Oh,
your daily routine?
yes, I can. Okay, so, it's the month of Ramadan.
It is, yes. I
Yeah.
know.
So,
Mhm.
I, yeah, I woke up at 3 o'clock p.m. No, p.m. No, a.m. Yes,
3 a.m.
3 o'clock a.m.
Yes.
3 a.m. and me and my family take breakfast, and then I offered my namaz. After then I sleep. So I woke up at I think 11 o'clock.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Okay.
And after then I take a shower, and I I start my work. I mean, I study my I start my study
Mm-hmm.
till 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, and then um, I prepared food for uh, open fast,
Okay.
and then and after then I start my study again.
Okay.
Uh,
I can maybe one correction.
yes,
Really, really good. Everything that you're saying. It's so good. To make it maybe less words and a bit faster,
yeah,
instead of I start my study, which is the words
yes.
I start my study, one word, studying. I begin studying. Um,
Okay, you tell me.
yes,
Um,
yes. So
okay,
you can start to study, it's still correct. A different way of saying it is I begin studying.
yeah,
Both are correct. Just something for you to play with, see if it feels different.
okay.
So at 4 p.m., you start studying or you begin studying. And then?
Uh, and yeah, I open the fast, and then I take a rest.
Good.
Yes.
Fantastic. Is Ramadan going well this year?
Yeah,
Okay. Is namaz meaning prayer?
Nimaz.
I heard you say something earlier, a word I didn't understand. I think it was namaz, but maybe I am incorrect.
You don't understand?
The word when you wake up at 3 a.m.,
Yes.
you do something and
Yeah.
then you go back to sleep. What did you do when you woke up?
Speak again. I don't
In your,
understand.
it's okay, don't worry. In your daily routine,
Yes.
3 a.m., you
Yeah.
wake up. Then, what do you do?
Mm, I actually I woke up at 3 p.m., and then I take breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's the month of Ramadan,
Mm-hmm.
because I offered Nimaz.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what is that? I don't know what that is. So I'm asking you, what are you offering?
Nimaz means I don't explain. I cannot explain in English.